What is up, KT Dynasty? Don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the family. You guys, I'm scared to death right now. So, as you guys know, the other day was the 4th of July, right? My fiance bought a bunch of fireworks. We had a great time. It just so happens, while he was at work, my son, I asked him to grab something from underneath the bed, and this was hiding under there. So I have a feeling somebody was plotting on me. But, turn of events, I'm gonna prank that ass tonight. He's in there sound asleep. He always sleeps with a handgun under his pillow and an AR-15 on the side of the bed. So you already know I had to grab those because we don't need any crazy incidents. Whew, I'm out of breath, you guys. You guys, please make sure if you stop by and you watch this video and you are not subscribed to the family, please make sure you tap that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, invite your friends, smash the like button, and let's get into this prank. I had to go run and get the... Okay, you guys, so I had to go run and get the pot. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I really hope that since I'm gonna have the lid on, it doesn't make a huge fucking mess. I'm sorry, it doesn't make a huge freaking mess. And I need to pull all the baby stuff out of the room because I don't want the baby stuff all smoky. Okay, you guys, I'm carrying the pot into the bedroom.
Going off from the window. Going off from the window.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You was trying to get me with that prank? Oh my God. Oh my God. You was trying to get me with that prank? Oh my God. Open that window right there behind the bed. Oh, where's that fan? Oh my God, I did not know it was gonna go off like that. Oh my God. You guys. Oh my God, it's so smoky in here. That was hella funny. And I wasn't even in here and I know that was funny. Whew, shit. Oh my gosh. Whoo, Jesus. We gotta air this room out. How you feeling?
How you feeling, motherfucker?
How you feeling?
I'm feeling like you're trying to kill me.
How'd I try to kill you?
The
You
damn
was
smoke.
You was plotting on me first.
And Bastion and Xavier found.
Funny. Can you say Team Kelsey for pulling that off? Team Kelsey. What you gonna do? Sleep in the living room tonight?
I'm finna go piss first.
This is the aftermath, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at our pot. All right. Alright, KT Dynasty, I am back in my kids' room because my room is just too smoky to be in right now. We gotta air it out. That was not an easy prank to pull off. For one, when I tried to light it at first, it didn't even light. And then, like, I was trying to figure out how I can light it and then hurry up and get the lid back on. And it was just a hot mess. And then I was mad because, like, his reaction, like, was not what I expected. Like, you know, but that's my fiance for you. He just kind of has, like, dry reactions to things, but I still think it was funny because he woke up not knowing what the hell was going on. If that prank made you laugh, made you giggle, smash the like button. Don't forget to DM me on my Instagram, message me on Facebook, or comment down below. Well, don't comment down below for prank ideas, but if you have any more video ideas for me, you can comment that down below. Otherwise, my social media will be in the description box in the blue links below, so make sure you hit your girl up. You guys, we got them bangers. I'm coming. I'm about to drop this baby. Prank wars. But anyways, you guys, I am clocking out for the night. I'm gonna try to get me some rest. Hopefully he doesn't come for me too hard, and if he does, hopefully he waits till after I have the baby, because that's been like my only excuse for him to take it easy on me. But I'm pretty sure I got what's coming for me. But you guys have a wonderful evening. Until next time.